guys, sorry, but my time ran out, so now I'm making a part 2 of making slime with different glue, because today we're using iMagine. And last that you saw, we had Tide, and she was finishing, that's her.
And I put my glue in.
Yeah, she went ahead and cleaned it out, so we're going to be making the same slime, but a different flavor, and she's going to be using, where's your thing? Yeah, it's like a raspberry.
This is cherry.
Yeah, that one's cherry. Where's raspberry? Please don't say you lost that.
It's right here.
Alright, so there's raspberry, and then I'm using lemon lime right here. And I put gold glitter, and she's using blue.
Yeah.
I think it should be blue with
And blue
silver.
glitter pen.
Yeah, and I'm going to be using gold glitter pen. The only sad thing is that white glue doesn't really work with glitter. You should always have clear.
So you're already adding yours?
Yeah, because I already know that it's going to work with Tide. Tide always works. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Sorry that I haven't been showing y'all my slime. I don't really like showing it because it's a lot liquidy. This glue is. So I'm going to head in the end box.
And if you're wondering what the glitter glue does, it really doesn't do anything to the slime.
It just colors it just a little bit.
Yeah, not that much.
Alright, so I'm going to add 5 drops of lemon lime. Wait, let me smell it first. Smell this. Smells awesome. It smells like cleaning supplies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I'm smelling this.
6, 7,
Oh my gosh.
8, 9.
Smell.
That smells like cleaning supplies.
This smells really good.
Yes, it does. I don't like how oily scents are though. Scents are
1, 2,
really
3,
oily.
4, 5, 6,
It's already activating.
8, 9,
Mine just started to activate.
10. Really?
I don't know why, but it started to activate. So can you give me the Tide real quick?
Mine is too, but
Like the oil.
Tide.
So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this. Not too much, just a little bit though.
You don't want to add too much.
So I added about just a little bit, not that much.
I'm gonna add some glitter first.
Okay, let's see it.
I'm adding glitter.
So I'm gonna go ahead and mix.
Did you add glitter to it?
Yeah, I've already added glitter and glitter pen.
I'm adding glitter now.
Go ahead and mix
It's
that.
this blue glitter. It's really nothing.
It's a really pretty glitter though. I like all the colors of glitter now. Whoops, it's lit. So I went ahead and added a little more Tide. So you guys can't see Grace's face, I just covered it up on accident. Oh my gosh, she's added like half the bottle. She's added so much glitter, even though it won't really show up with the white glue. So mine smells really, really good, and it's look at mine. Smell. Hers smells amazing. I love hers. Wait, don't I get the lemon lime and the watermelon? Can I get the blue raspberry and the lemon, and then you get watermelon and cherry?
Sure.
Okay, good. You have to actually lead it, or it won't work. Here, let me help you. Now push it. I'll need that. Oh, you set it on the scent.
It didn't go. Oh, it's actually working.
Well, yeah. Usually you need shaving cream though, so I understand. So I'm just adding a little bit more Tide, just to make. Uh-oh, it almost spilt. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix. Mine's working. You have to pick it up. Uh-oh. But that's okay. Now you know it will activate.
It's activating real good now.
We're gonna use all of my mom's Tide before the day's over.
Yeah.
So now I'm mixing more Tide in. Oh, mine's becoming sticky. It's in the sticky stage now.
And I'm gonna also show you guys probably my aerial.
Yes, you guys, this is becoming more of a day in the life type thing. We're just making slime on a random day. And so basically she's gonna show y'all her aerial in the next day in the life video. So mine's still in the sticky stage.
Mine's like really liquid.
Look at mine. Mine's in the sticky stage.
How does yours always come off the wall? I think I need more Tide.
Okay.
Can you add more Tide for me?
Yes.
Because my hands are.
I feel like you didn't add enough scent. I added 10.
I added 10. Push. That's good.
I'm gonna add just a little bit more.
I'm gonna take my Can you get my spoon, please?
I wouldn't take that out if I was you.
I'm not using my spoon. I'm using my hands.
Here, take it off. Okay. So you set that on your side though, right?
Just throw it.
Oh, I'm sorry. So now I'm mixing it, and it's coming off the bowl now. It's still in the sticky stage a little bit though.
Mine's not. It's kind of liquidy.
Mine's not in the sticky stage anymore. Mine's a little overactivated.
Oh, yours is too activated, I think.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, that's good. How
It
did
has
you
blue glitter in it though. I don't know. For some reason mine has blue glitter.
That's weird.
I haven't used blue glitter at all.
Mine's a
Why
little
is there blue glitter
But
on my
listen,
hands?
Listen.
Oh. Hold on, you want to hear mine? You can't really hear it because of the plastic, but still. Mine is like a really good slime, so I
I'm
imagine.
so sad for you because you use like a lot of glue for that thing.
I know. But we still have 4 bottles.
Yeah.
If we have to do a part 3 to this, then we will. Because my iPad runs out of storage very
I think
easily.
this needs a little bit more time because look, it's sticky.
It is. It's going through the sticky stage. That one's really like.
Tiny though.
So I've already added an egg. So this is my in slime. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter. I like the glitter in this one, especially because you can actually see it in this one.
Do you have containers? Or do you use plastic bags?
I have 3 containers left.
So we can put one of my favorite slime in there, right?
Yes, and then I get the other 2.
Look how good this is.
Look,
Oh wow.
I like this one. Wait, scent. Oh, smell. I can't. Wait, let me smell that. That smells like a candy. Like a candy that I've smelled before.
Sweethearts.
No, let me smell one more time. It smells like some type of candy that you would get from the Dollar General.
The gummies, like the
The orange gummies. The orange gummies.
Yeah.
Like the orange slices.
Yeah.
My nose is running so much.
It's kind of sticky. Not too sticky.
It's getting there. Mine's really watery. Mine's a milk slime. I can already tell. Mine's a milk slime.
Mine's probably.
The only bad thing is the glitter comes out of it. Mine isn't that thick. Mine still clicks.
Mine's real clicky.
Mine's more of a watery slime.
This one's good. I like this.
Look at it. Mine's gonna probably create bubbles and hers gonna be for clicking.
Yeah.
Alright, time to sit to the side. And I'm gonna show you my other overactivated slime. It's kind of sticky and
I'm gonna wash.
I don't like this slime. That slime's a dud. I can't fix it. You guys didn't see that, but I just threw it to the other side. And I don't know what this came out of, but it's ugly, so it's going too. And my only good slime is this one, which is lemon lime. I think I want to use cherry next, though.
Okay.
Is that
I'm
okay?
gonna use the watermelon.
Here you go.
Let me find my cherry soon.
It's right here.
Oh, okay.
So here's your watermelon. And then I'm gonna do
I'm gonna clean out
raspberry
my bowl.
next. Yeah, let's clean out our bowls. The glitter stays right in the middle of it.
Mine
Look.
doesn't. Mine stays on the sides.
I'm gonna use the other end.
Okay. You can use that.
Never mind, I'll use this side now.
I'm using